My name's W8LV. I'm going to show new people in ham radio how to get on the air mobile for very short money. Here's the installation I use, and this is what it consists of. I have a Baofeng GT5R, not a UV5R. I have the battery eliminator. It's on the back. I know it looks like a battery, but it's not. You can tell because it's got the cord hanging out of it. And I've got a Baofeng mic. To that I have 3 tumblers from Walmart or any of the stores. The thin wall ones work better than the coffee ones. I'm going to clip the radio to the tumbler. And finally, I'm going to clip the microphone to the tumbler. That's one way. Another way is you can just set the radio right down in the cup. That works fine too. That's generally the way I carry it. You're also going to need one of these. This is the dual band magnetic mount 144 70 centimeter antenna. You'll bring it right through your door. Don't worry about the cord. The window works independently of the frame. And one thing I did notice when I mounted this is that if you use the antenna as a guide, lay it down on its side, line it up with the edge of your car, and then set it up right so that you have at least a 19-inch ground plane. It'll work much, much better. The radio costs about $26. The battery eliminator costs about $7. The tumblers cost less than $1 a piece. I think the microphone was $6, and the antenna was about $20. You can find all these things on Amazon, and of course you can get the tumblers at Walmart or whatever your local store is. I hope that helps you to get on the air. You don't need a lot of power on VHF, UHF, contrary to what you may have been told by others. You will hit repeaters with no problem at all, and it'll help you enjoy your new hobby. Thanks for your time, and I hope this helps out. 73 W8LV.